So here is another creative marketing tip that I have for you guys out there, okay? If you are aware, there are other holidays out there than the major holidays that we have, like 4th of July. Did you know that we actually have a Dress Up Your Pet Day, which is on January 14th? Or on January 19th, we have National Popcorn Day. We also have our National Puzzle Day. We have Winnie the Pooh Day. We have Donut Days, Coffee Days. So if you are actually searching the internet and you look for these bizarre but unique holidays, you can actually set your marketing schedule in those particular holidays by being creative. Example, if it's Dress Up Your Pet Day, you can actually go ahead and call an assisted living facility, and you can tell them that if you are allowed to bring some therapy dogs and enlist the help of some non-for-profit companies that provides therapy dogs, dress them up really cool, and bring them and showcase them to that assisted living facility. By you doing this, you are going to be able to generate and have people look at you with respect. And I'm not suggesting just start asking for referrals right there and then, but what you're doing is you are finding a way to be able to go ahead and bring yourself inside a facility into that door. From then, you're able to generate those leads and those connections. For example, the National Popcorn Day. You can go ahead and try to work yourself in by bringing in, some free popcorn, right? And different flavored butters. If you're in the Chicago area or been to the Chicago area, you have that Chicago mix from Garrett's Popcorn, right? You can go ahead and bring some of those popcorns, put them in nice tins, have them in a nice bag, and deliver them, and just dropping them off and saying, hey, my name is Michael with ABC Home Health, and it's National Popcorn Day. I just wanted to drop some popcorn off for you guys. By using these bizarre techniques, these fun and this energetic strategies and styles, and you're doing this in an energetic way, in an energetic level, you're going to be able to generate more leads and more referral sources. One of my favorite is they have this cake holiday, a cake holiday, right? Bringing them a slice of cake or cupcake, whatever you need to do, you need to be able to be different. They're going to be able to say that you're different, that you're fun, and at the same time as you have that energy level, they are eventually want to be able to see what you have and gravitate towards you for their clients, for their patients, for their loved ones. So what I want to do is I want you to be able to look up those bizarre and unique holidays in the internet. Pick a couple of your favorites that you want to be able to use in a monthly basis on, and what you need to do is use your marketing tactics within those things, within those days to add, to this whole thing. I want you to be able to look up the National Nacho Chip and Salsa Day. When you do this, I have done this before. I will walk in, right, in a hospital. I will walk in a nursing home or a physician's office with one of those really large traditional sombreros, right? And what I would do is I would bring my salsa, I would bring my chips, and I will tell them, hey, it's National Nacho Chips and Salsa Day. I have your nachos and I have your salsa and dip. Being different, you are going to be able to get more referrals and to get your clients from these referral sources. All right. So what else can you think of? Think about National Coffee Day. Everybody loves Coffee Day, right? So I actually have this big thermos that you can make, you can brew coffee and you can put coffee in it, and thermos can actually have up to 20 cups of coffee. And then I have this little caddy that has the powder creamer, the sugar, the sweet and low, the equate, the Splendas, right? And then I even have, some little small bottles of flavorings like, amaretto, all these different additional flavorings that you can put in coffee. Then what I would do is I would go to doctor's offices and I would say hello to my current and my future referral source. I'll say, hey, it's National Coffee Day. Just stopping by. I know you guys are busy, but definitely want to be able to help and talk to you guys about our home care services. But since you're busy right now, can I just get you some coffee? Would you like a cup of coffee? I'll get them a free cup of coffee. I'll tell them, hey, it's just such as Dunkin' Donut. I just freshly brewed this myself. Get them, serve them some coffee. At times the coffee cup are disposable, but the sleeves has the logo of my company, has my phone number. I'll give them my business card and go on my way, right? And not ask for me to do a presentation right there. I'll just say, hey, what's your name? Janet, can I get your card? Okay, great, Janet. Is it okay if I stop by or give you a call later on? Maybe we can set up a time for a meeting. And they'll say, sure. Most of the time they'll say yes because they got a free coffee out of it. So they're going to say, this seems like a nice guy. So these are little techniques that you guys can do to be able to instantly differentiate yourself from other marketers, right? So what other ideas do you guys have? Please share it with us. And I hope you guys like this video. Always understand that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.